Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I have a really fun gift box idea to share with you featuring the Christmas Gleaming bundle. This is actually retiring. And then I'm also using the Brightly Gleaming Designer Series paper. This paper is so pretty, and it is also retiring, and it is part of the year-end closeout sale, so it's on sale for $7.50 for the 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. So really, really great deal. Grab that if you love it. I've got it linked down below in the video description. So yeah, you can head on over to my online store and get that if you are just loving it and you want to have it before it's all gone. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'm going to share with you how to create this box. I'm really excited. So I actually designed this box back in 2017 using different product, obviously, but yeah, it was one of my bonus club projects back then when I did a bonus Club Quita Bug project. So I decided to recreate that project today, and I actually followed my own video tutorial to do that, and it was kind of fun to do. So I'm going to share how to create this box today, and we're going to use some different colors. So I've got my Simply Scored board here, and we're going to use this to score our cardstock. So for my lid of my box, I have cut a piece of crumb cake cardstock, 6.5 inches by 9 inches, and we are going to score this at 1.5 inches on all 4 sides. So I'm just going to scoot it up a little bit. 1.5 inches, all 4 sides. For the base of my box, I've got some Mossy Meadow cardstock. This is cut 7.5 inches by 10 inches, and I am going to score this at 2 inches on all 4 sides. Now I've got my bone folder, and I am just going to go through and fold and crease on all of the score lines that we just made on the lid and the bottom of the box. Once you have folded on all of those score lines, you just want to come in with your scissors and cut up. We're going to cut up the little square here that's on each end, and I'm just going to do a little notch out of this as well. Just makes it easier when I fold up my box. And I'm going to do the same here on this little square. Whoops. Kind of mucked that one up. Let me fix this. There we go. Okay, and then I'm just going to rotate around and do the exact same thing to the other side. Notch that out. Okay, and I'm doing the same exact thing for the base of my box. All right, so now I'm just going to come in with the lid of my box, and I am going to go ahead and take my designer paper. This is cut 3¼ inches by 5 3/4 inches. I'm going to go ahead and add this on using my seal adhesive. Just add this onto the lid here. Okay, that looks good. And then I will just add some adhesive very carefully, because actually if you snap these two, if you pull too hard with your adhesive, you can rip these little tabs. So just add my adhesive, and then I can come in and just start folding in these tabs, lining them up carefully and building up the lid here of my box. I was so excited to create a box. I haven't done a box in a while. The ice cream man's outside. All right, so there is the lid, and then I'm going to put adhesive on the bottom. All right, I've got adhesive on all of the tabs for the bottom of my box. So again, just lining everything up really carefully and building up the base of this box. Whoop. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there you go. You can see it's a nice deep box. It's 2 inches deep, so you can fit some nice little treats or gifts in there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and slip my lid onto my box. Alrighty, there we go. So cute. I just love this box. And now let's go ahead and do some stamping, and then we will put everything together. We'll decorate the box. So I'm going to be stamping the ornaments from the Christmas Gleaming stamp set. I'm going to stamp those in Mossy Meadow and Night of Navy. So I'm going to come in with this large ornament and stamp that in Night of Navy on Night of Navy cardstock. And then I'll do my small ornament here in Mossy Meadow on Mossy Meadow cardstock. There we go. Bring in my large ornament punch here and punch that one, and then punch out my little ornament. I just love the convenience of punches. All right, that ornament literally flew into a deep dark corner under my desk. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our ribbon to the box. So I thought that this in color ribbon in Cinnamon Cider would coordinate really nicely with the copper in this box and also with the Mossy Meadow. So that's why I chose this color. I think it looks really pretty together. And just tie my bow, and I'm gonna have the bow be sort of off to the left here of the box a bit. And I don't want to tie this too tight because I want to be able to slip it off to put a gift inside and then slip it back on. So I'm trying to leave a little bit of slack in there so that it's not too difficult to retie. All right, I'll just go ahead and snip those ends. This one maybe needs to be a tiny bit shorter. Well, now I want this one a little shorter. Okay, that looks good. So to finish this card up, I die cut this piece of copper foil using one of our Stitched Shapes dies, one of the circles. I don't know if you can see that stitching around the edge of this die cut, but I'm just going to add this on to my box with a little adhesive, and I'm just going to tuck it under that ribbon just a little bit off to the left. Then I will add my Night of Navy ornament on, kind of off to the left. Then pop a dimensional onto the back of my Mossy Meadow ornament. Put that right there. Ooh, that's really pretty. And there you go. That finishes up this beautiful box. You can recreate this box, you guys, with a variety of different designer series papers and colors for a variety of occasions. I love this box. Really quick and easy to create, and I think it's beautiful. I love this designer paper. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's tutorial. Remember, you can find all of the products I used today, all of the measurements, over on today's coordinating blog post linked down below in the video description. And I do have all of the products used today listed down below with clickable links so that you can add those to your cart and place your order if you want to get any of these goodies before they are gone. So Thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.